Welcome to New Brunswick, one of Canada's 3 maritime provinces, nestled along the Atlantic coast. Here, the relentless forces of nature have sculpted a land of dramatic beauty, a tapestry woven from towering forests, a rugged and verdant coastline, and rivers that carve their way through ancient bedrock. Join us now as we venture into this captivating province, a place where the rhythm of the tides dictates life along the shore and where the wilderness remains a sanctuary for a rich diversity of life. Our journey begins here at the Bay of Fundy, a place where the ocean's breath is most deeply felt. Twice a day, over 100 billion tons of seawater surge into this basin, driven by the relentless pull of the moon. These are the highest tides on Earth, a liquid spectacle that has shaped this coastline for millennia. As the water recedes, it reveals a treasure trove of life that thrives in this intertidal world. Mussels cling tenaciously to the rocks, their strength tested with every surge. Hermit crabs scuttle amongst the seaweed, seeking new homes in discarded shells, and shorebirds, with their long legs and beaks perfectly adapted, feast on the bounty left behind. But the Bay of Fundy's power is not to be underestimated. At the reversing falls in St. John, the incoming tide collides with the St. John River, creating a maelstrom of churning water, a testament to the raw, untamed energy of this extraordinary place. In the heart of this dramatic landscape lies Fundy National Park, a sanctuary where the power of the ocean meets the tranquility of the forest. Here, towering cliffs carved over eons by wind and wave provide a breathtaking backdrop to a rich tapestry of life. Forests, a vibrant mix of maple, birch and spruce, cloak the slopes, providing a haven for a multitude of creatures. White-tailed deer, their coats dappled with sunlight, browse amongst the trees. Overhead, the air resonates with the calls of warblers and thrushes, their melodies echoing through the canopy. And hidden amongst the undergrowth, the elusive bobcat patrols its territory, a silent hunter in this verdant realm. But it is the park's hiking trails that truly allow us to immerse ourselves in its beauty. With each step, we delve deeper into this wilderness, the air thick with the scent of pine needles and damp earth. And as we reach a summit, the vista that unfolds before us takes our breath away. A panorama of rugged coastline, crashing waves, and the endless expanse of the Atlantic Ocean. Our journey takes us inland now to Kejimkujik National Park, a place where time seems to flow at a different pace. Here, the land whispers of ancient stories, of the Mi'kmaq people who have called this place home for millennia. Their presence is woven into the very fabric of this landscape, from the petroglyphs etched onto the rocks to the ancient canoe routes that crisscross its waterways. Kejimkujik is a place of serene beauty, where the reflections of the sky dance upon the surface of tranquil lakes. The air is alive with the sound of birdsong, the gentle lapping of water against the shore, and the rustling of leaves in the breeze. Loons, their haunting cries echoing across the water, share these waters with beavers, their lodges testament to their industrious nature. And as the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the forest floor, the nocturnal world awakens. Fireflies flicker amongst the trees, their tiny lights illuminating the undergrowth, a magical display in this realm of twilight. Magnetic Hill, a gravity-defying wonder. Near the city of Moncton, we encounter a phenomenon that has baffled and intrigued visitors for generations. Magnetic Hill. Here the laws of physics seem to be suspended as cars placed at the bottom of a hill appear to roll uphill, defying gravity's pull. This optical illusion, created by the surrounding landscape, is a testament to the power of perspective, but Magnetic Hill is just the beginning. The surrounding area is a hub of activity, offering a range of attractions and experiences. From amusement parks and zoos to museums and historical sites, there is something here for everyone. And for those seeking a more tranquil experience, the nearby Irish Town Nature Park offers walking trails, picnic areas, and the chance to connect with nature. Glen Falls, where water cascades through the Appalachians. The ancient peaks of the Appalachian Mountains stretch their rugged spine through New Brunswick, their slopes cloaked in a tapestry of emerald green. Here, amidst the towering trees and moss-covered boulders, we discover Glen Falls, a cascade of white water plunging over a rocky precipice. The air is thick with the spray of the falls, a refreshing mist that cools the surrounding forest. The sound of the water crashing against the rocks below is a symphony of nature, a constant reminder of the power and beauty of this place. Hiking trails wind their way through the surrounding forest, offering breathtaking views of the falls from various vantage points. As we ascend higher, the air grows cooler, and the trees become more stunted and windswept. The summit rewards us with a panorama of rolling hills, dense forest, and the distant shimmer of water, a testament to the wild beauty of the Appalachian wilderness. The Restigouche River, a ribbon of life. Flowing through the heart of New Brunswick, the Restigouche River is a lifeline for the surrounding ecosystem. Its clear, cold waters, teeming with life, have sustained generations of First Nations people who have long relied on its bounty for sustenance and cultural significance. The Restigouche is renowned for its Atlantic salmon, a prized catch for anglers from around the world. But the river's allure extends far beyond fishing. Its banks are fringed with dense forests, a haven for wildlife such as moose, deer, and black bear. Bald eagles soar overhead, their piercing gaze scanning the water for prey. And as we glide along its surface in a canoe, the gentle rocking motion lulls us into a state of tranquility. The surrounding forest, a vibrant tapestry of green, reflects in the water's surface, creating a sense of being enveloped by nature's embrace. The Restigouche River is a testament to the power of conservation efforts, a reminder that these precious ecosystems deserve our protection for generations to come. Grand Manan Island, where giants breach the surface. Our journey culminates on Grand Manan Island, a jewel of the Bay of Fundy, where the open ocean meets the rugged beauty of the coast. Here, towering cliffs, sculpted by the relentless pounding of the waves, provide a dramatic backdrop to a thriving ecosystem. The island is a haven for seabirds, their raucous calls filling the air as they nest on the cliff faces. Puffins, with their brightly coloured beaks, stand guard at their burrows, while gannets, with their impressive wingspans, soar effortlessly above the waves. But it is the giants of the deep that truly captivate us here. Humpback whales, drawn to these waters by the abundance of food, breach the surface, their massive bodies crashing back into the waves with a resounding splash. Minke whales, smaller but no less graceful, skim the surface, their sleek backs momentarily breaking the water's surface. Grand Manan Island is a reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth, a place where we can witness the awe-inspiring power and beauty of the natural world. A tapestry of life, New Brunswick's wildlife and flora. Throughout our journey, we have encountered a remarkable diversity of life, a testament to the richness of New Brunswick's natural heritage. From the towering moose, their antlers a symbol of the northern wilderness, to the elusive black bear, foraging for berries in the undergrowth, the province's forests are teeming with creatures great and small. Beavers, nature's engineers, create intricate dams and lodges, shaping the flow of water and creating habitats for other species. Red foxes, with their cunning and agility, patrol the edges of the forest, their keen senses alert for any opportunity, and the air is alive with the flitting wings of countless bird species, their vibrant plumage adding splashes of colour to the landscape. The flora of New Brunswick is no less diverse, a tapestry of textures and hues that changes with the seasons. From the towering pines and spruces that dominate the highlands, to the delicate wildflowers that carpet the forest floor in spring, the province is a botanist's paradise. Until next time, New Brunswick. New Brunswick's nature provides countless opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, canoeing, fishing, camping, and wildlife watching. Its trails beckon us to explore its hidden corners, its rivers invite us to glide through its heart, and its coastline offers breathtaking views that linger long after we've left its shores. It's a province that showcases the beauty and diversity of Canada's natural world, a place where the wild spirit of the land remains untamed. Thank you for joining us on this journey through New Brunswick's natural wonders. We hope you feel inspired to explore this beautiful province and experience its magic for yourself.